Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour. There seems to be information of an underground madrasa near Al Falah, which is under the lens at the moment. Now, agencies are probing the madrasa's details as well as funding, and is said to belong to Maulana Ishtiyaq, who is also under the arrest. It's important to understand that Dr. Muzammil, one of the contributors, is also being probed at this minute. Now, agencies are probing the madrasa details and the fundings. The madrasa is said to have belonged to Maulana Ishtiyaq, who is currently under arrest. Meanwhile, like I mentioned, Dr. Muzammil, who is also one of the contributors, is also being probed. The agencies are investigating properties that are related to the Al Falah University and its associates. One of the madrasas, which is located just 900 meters away from the Al Falah University, is now under the scanner. Now, it is located in a completely isolated area near a village in Dhauj. The construction of the madrasa is quite unusual, and this madrasa is in underground construction. My colleague Teshri brings us more on this. Take a look.
Dr. Muzammil, who is said to be the conspirator, the mastermind in this entire Delhi blast case, was also one of the contributors of this particular madrasa from where we are reporting right now. But what the agencies say, that the manner in which this particular madrasa is being constructed, it seems like it's as of now under construction, but it does raises several questions, because you can see that the walls that are being built over here, they are 20 to 23 centimeters thick. These are the walls that are surrounded. You can see on all the four sides, these are the walls of the madrasa. Not just that, but the construction, it seems like it is under construction, and also these iron rods that are being installed over here. It seems like there was one more floor that was to be constructed over here after this construction would have been got complete. But again, the question is that why there was a need to build an underground madrasa at a point of time when there was enough of space. And what we are also being told is that Maulana Ishtiyaq is also associated to this particular madrasa. So that's the underground picture of the madrasa where the students used to come. And as we told you that Dr. Muzammil was one of the contributors, you can see that it shows these are the mats. You can see on my left hand side, show Rohit, my VJ showing you the visuals, that these are the mats that you're observing over here. And also this also shows that yes, the classes must have been going on over here, and the madrasa from where we are standing, it is just 7 to 8 feet above below the ground, and it is definitely raising several questions.